Akanksha Verma. I am a dental surgeon from Lucknow. I have done my BDS from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Institute of Dental Sciences and Hospital. Now I am a clinical nutritionist from Optimum Wellness Academy and my age is 40 plus. I studied the certification in food nutrition and dietetics, but then I realized I should know more about diseases. So I enrolled for diploma in food nutrition and dietetics at Optimum Wellness Academy. My experience at Optimum Wellness Academy was amazing. The classes were amazing, teachers were excellent and knowledgeable, and they have always supported us. I enjoyed my classes. Syllabus was also outstanding. They have cleared all the concepts, and whenever we were having any queries, everybody was there to reply or to answer our queries. There was no language barrier. They were very flexible. If any student is having any problem, so they always replied in second language also. So it was amazing. It was really great. I'm a dental surgeon from Lucknow and my clinic's name is Dental Clinic and Implant Center. My work is not only related to dentistry, but people asked me about nutrition, aesthetic. My work is related to aesthetic also. Like people want to look more beautiful, fit, and they want a good skin. So I always wanted to know more and more about nutrition. That's why I joined this course at Optimum Wellness Academy. And this course always helps me to give my patients more knowledge about nutrition. As we all know, nowadays everybody wants to look beautiful, fit and young. So now I know how to teach them to look fit, as I have studied lots of things about nutrition to look more fit, diet plans, calorie count, everything. So now I am able to tell my patients about diet plan and calorie count so that they can look more fit, young and beautiful. WhatsApp support is amazing. See, I left this course 1 year back. Still, I am in touch with the WhatsApp group, and whenever we have any queries, they respond it very quickly. And I haven't seen that there is any other academy which is still in touch with their students after leaving the course. But this is the only academy which I have realized that they are still supporting us, and they are very quick. I still ask if I have any query, and I'm always in touch with the teachers, the faculty. I find it very supportive. So I have studied in a dental college. They never taught us about nutrition. We are having knowledge about diseases, medicines, everything. But being a doctor, I didn't have any knowledge about nutrition. So I think doctors should definitely do this course because they got to know about nutrition, which nutrients are helpful. Like being a dentist, we know that calcium is very important for teeth. So after doing this course, I got to know more and more knowledge about nutrition. And I think even non-science students can also do this course because they should have knowledge about nutrition. It is very helpful. Nowadays, everybody is having so many diseases like diabetes, hypertension. So I think each and every one should know more and more about nutrition, and especially doctors. They should definitely do this course. It would be very helpful in our clinic. Like you can advise your patients about nutrition for teeth, skin, body, everything. It It is very helpful. And as compared to my college, we were only taught about diseases and medicines. They never ever taught about a single nutrient. So I think doctors should also do this course. It's not only about theory. It's not like that they taught us about theory only. Practical knowledge was also amazing. Like now I can make many different types of diet plans for different age groups, different diseases. They have taught us in such a good way. Now I can make it on software through AI, Word, and there are so many things which I got to know from this course. Now I can easily make 10 to 15 different types of diet plans. So it's not about theory only, but we got practical knowledge also, like how to make diet plans and what are the important things which should kept in mind when you are going to make a diet plan. So I have learned also about different types of diet plans, like veg, non-veg. Many people used to come and they say that we are vegetarian or we are pure vegetarian. So now I can make different types of diet plans. So it's really wonderful. My favorite topic was disease, like related to diseases, hypertension, diabetes, thyroid, and many other diseases, PCOS, which is very common these days. So they taught you in such a good way that sometimes, see, my husband is also a doctor, he's a surgeon, and once he came and I was doing the classes, he was looking at me and he was saying, are you studying for MBBS? Because the teachers were so good. They taught us about each and every blood supply, nerve supply, everything related to human body. So this course is really good for doctors. It will remind you of your college days when you were studying human body. And my husband is also very happy that I have good knowledge about diseases and everything. I love coming to the class, making notes and everything. It was really wonderful, amazing for doctors. Doctors should definitely do this course. It is very helpful in treating our patients. This course is very good for non-science students also. They taught us in such a simple way that you are able to understand each and every concept. There were many non-science students in my class. They were also able to understand each and everything. Teachers were so good. They explained you in such a great way, in such a simpler way that you will love attending the classes and you will enjoy. So non-science students should also do this course. They will get to know about diseases and nutrition. It would be very helpful. Case studies and recordings were very helpful. I haven't seen any institute who were sharing their patients or clients' personal records or patient history. So these are very helpful as we got to know how to counsel your patients or clients. Now when a patient comes to me, I am more able to communicate with them in a good way. Like after learning so much through this academy, I can easily communicate with my patients, and I'm seeing this, it is giving better results to my patients. Social media classes were also good. They taught us how to make your content on social media. I didn't have any page on social media, but when I got to know about this social media thing from this academy, which they taught us, now it is very helpful in my clinical practice also. I have a page now, I have a logo now. Many people, not only from my city, but out of my city, everybody knows about me through social media. So this is also a great thing which they taught us, how to grow your business, and it is very helpful. Because of my social media page, now I have been awarded as a top nutritionist of my city. So this social media has helped me a lot, and it was taught by teachers from this academy only. So thanks to them. Thanks for everything. They have really made me a great nutritionist. I don't think fee structure is high. It's very reasonable because it's worth it. Like I started earning while doing this course, so I don't think it's high. So for some people, it might be expensive, or it could be expensive, but I think investing in a good place is not bad at all. It's paid off. It's worth it. It was a good investment for me. I received a lot of value from this course, and I'm very happy after doing this course. I would 100% recommend this academy. This is the best academy one could ever join. It's really amazing. All your concepts were clear, and the teachers are amazing. So I would definitely recommend each and everyone who wants to get knowledge about nutrition, they should definitely join this academy, especially doctors, and even non-medical, non-science students can also join, but doctors should definitely join, whether MBBS or BDS or BHMS.